Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2018 Buick Enclave Avenir all-wheel drive, stock number Z9461XX. Only 4,000 miles and there's one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Ebony Twilight Metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 4-year 50,000 mile bumper to bumper and 6-year 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, seat 7 with a leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row, fixed skylight overhead with sunshade. Middle row seats are also heated and rear climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, forward collision alert, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. 60/40 split rear seat. Folds flat with the push of a button, as well as returns to the upright position. And of course, with only 4,000 miles, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Avenir has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, adjustable power liftgate, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof overhead. Large, easy to read gauges, and that is also where you set the forward collision alert. Wood and leather wrap steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. 3-zone climate. Dual front as well as separate rear. Rear camera with active grid lines as well as front camera. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Wireless cell phone charging, 9-speed automatic transmission, lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Enclave has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 310 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway. And again, only 4,000 miles on those tires. For more information on this Enclave, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.